Meet the Washpod. It cleans everything from your tools to the parts you're working on. Unlike other parts washers, the Washpod is the next evolution. It takes less time to clean, reducing your operational costs, allowing you to focus on what you do best. The Washpod also runs at a 25% lower operating temperature, saving you money on your electricity bill. Thanks to our patented 0-degree spear jets, it provides 30 times greater impact force when compared to conventional fan-shaped jets. This helps to produce a superior deep clean. The first time, every time. You know what else we're superior at? Our service and reliability. All Washpod rentals come with regular servicing and support, from removal of wastewater to breakdowns. We make it a priority of ours to respond to your call for help as quick as possible, minimising downtime, disruption and loss of profit for your business. Get in touch with us right now for the cleanest washing experience and exceptional service from the Washpod team. Are you ready to be a part of an exceptional client list?